What it do? It's your boy Manny Fresh, aka the champ who don't take L's, back with another video. Tell you we're gonna come back. We're coming back strong. This first one is it's a lit unboxing, you know, lit. First time for everything. So I'm gonna put my belt down, give you guys a little backstory on this. You know, it's probably one of the coolest collabs I've seen, and I'm not a hype beast like that, but this collab was pretty cool. First, the shoe is the first time I purchased a shoe on StockX, so we're about to see if it's legit. I've sold shoes through StockX, I've never purchased one. This was the first time. The one thing, it did take a while because the buyer needs to send it to a warehouse for them to authenticate it and then send it to me. So it took like a week, 2 weeks and a half. And the only reason I brought this shoe because the resale was not that high and I really wanted the shoe. I struck out when it was retail, but it would have been cool if I would have gotten it on release day. But yeah, this is the first time I get a pair of these. You know, y'all see the box, the Kyrie, we're on the Kyrie 4. I had the Kyrie 1s, the Red Octobers that I made. The cool part, the collab was fresh. So let's look at it. Let's see if it's legit. You got the StockX paper. Oh, I could get it featured. Man, I might do this. We'll see. It was authenticated. Oh, a StockX sticker. We legit. First time. Yo, this shit, when I tell you this shit is different from what I have, it's different. Oh, it got the verified thing. It's the Kyrie 4 Lucky Charms, bro. From the moment they dropped the pack, this was the one that had my eye. I don't know how I'm gonna finesse this fit, but I'm gonna finesse it. But look how clean the shoe is. It retailed for 120 and I paid 180. I basically paid for a collab for 180, but that's a pair of Jordans. Well, 190 Jordans. This shoe is fire. I will most definitely give y'all a review and on feet on these because if you guys want them, you could get them. You only gotta pay a little more. I don't pay resale. When it's above, I think the highest I'll ever go is 220 because foams are 220. After that, you won't catch me spending more than 230. That's the most I'll ever spend on a shoe. But resale wasn't bad on these. I copped them. Y'all see the review. Lucky Charms. I don't even eat Lucky Charms like that, but I'm a fan of Lucky Charms now. Other than that, hit that like button, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. We got the on feet review coming up. I got the vlog, and I got another project that I'm trying to finesse. I don't know how I want to do it, but it's gonna show me balling, bro. I'm doing my thing. Other than that, Manny Fresh out.